Looking back sa lahat ng mga, before we move forward to another topic, pag binabalikan mo ang lahat ng ito, gaano kalaki ang papel ni John sa lahat ng ito?
Yes, malaki yung papel ni John. Kasi without him trusting me also, hindi parang hindi ko din makakaya on my own. Actually, nakita ko rin kasi sa kanya na siya mismo, very forgiving person siya. Hindi ko nakita si John na may matagal na nakaaway, may kaaway, ganyan. So, ganun talaga yung siguro yung personality niya. And it helped me. Na parang, oo nga no, mas masarap yung wala kang bitterness, mas masarap yung magaan lang sa'yo.
Yeah, I mean, God bless your marriage and God bless your family. How long have you been together now?
John and I.
Yeah.
12.
12?
Yes, 12 years.
Silosa ka?
No, siya.
Si John ang siloso. Okay.
Oo, imagine.
Oo. Pero may pinagdaanan din kayo. I remember a lot of news about the annulment, di ba?
Yes.
I don't want to go into the details because personally, I've been through an annulment of a friend. Of friends actually, napakahirap.
Yes.
May mga panahon pa noon na parang ayaw mo na, naalala mo?
True.
Pero sa mga nanonood ngayon, who are going through the same experience that you went through, ano ang mo? A piece of advice or ano ang iyong musing, ano ang iyong opinion, ano ang iyong nais iparating sa kanilang lahat?
I think you just have to really surrender it to the Lord. That's the time kasi, Tito Boy, The time that, actually, nandun na ako, winidraw ko na nga. Sabi ko, ayoko na. Pagod na ako. Magastos na masyado. So I want it, wag na lang. Total, love naman ako na dyan, love ko siya, but I know it's not right. So I prayed to the Lord that, Lord, if this is really what you want for me and for the kids, do something about it. The moment I surrendered it to God, that's the time.
Things happened.
Yes.
Tsaka,
ang bilis, walang problema. Dire-diretso, nagulat na lang ako. It happened.
And 2025, kinasal kayo ni John.
Yes.
Ang daming nangyari, no?
Oo, ang dami.
Oo. And when you look back at that, at that wedding, I mean, what comes to mind?
What comes to mind is...
Look at your photos.
Oo, really. Oh my gosh. How the Lord redeemed me in full.
That's a powerful line, ha? Oo.
Hindi niya ako pinabayaan talaga. Like, looking back, I will always think na I am alone in the battle. Single mom, first time in Cebu, raising kids. It's hard. But then looking back, wow, all along, God was with me.
Right.
Iba pagka siya talaga yung gumalaw sa buhay mo, Tito Boy.
Iba.
Sabi ko nga, ang pangarap ko dati, kasi ako talaga yung tao na nag-organize at maplano ng buhay ko, ganun. But it just so happened na hindi naging ganun yung nangyari sa akin. I said, 25 years old, ako mag-aasawa, ganyan. Tapos nagulat ako, ay, hindi pala 25 years old. September 25, 2025.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oo, yun
Yan,
na.
naiiyak ako, di ba? Pag maalala ko, naiiyak ako kasi ang tagal din namin hinintay talaga. Tapos nung dumating siya, we just want it simple. We just want to have our union together blessed. So inoffer talaga namin lahat kay Lord. Minimal guest, intimate, and then walang gastos.
It happened in God's good time, di ba? Yes.